So we're going to take a look at adding and subtracting fractions. Now, when I say the word fractions, a lot of my students will get really nervous. Now, I don't want you to feel that way. So this video is designed to take all of that fear out of adding and subtracting fractions. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, hi, my name is Dr. Marissa May. I'm on a mission to help students feel confident in their math classes. And this video, this learning guide, just one of the ways that I do that. So let's jump right in. Now, friends, have you ever heard of the Desmos graphing calculator? I promise it's going to be your new best friend. Now, I'm linking it below in the description so that you can use it. It's completely free. And I'm going to use it in this video to help us add our fractions. We're going to also subtract our fractions. So I'm going to change our view so that you can see my Desmos graphing calculator. It looks something like this. Now, when you go to it, I'm going to type in my problem, 1/3 plus 1/6. So the way I do that is I do 1 divided by 3. Notice the calculator already goes ahead and makes it a fraction. How nice. Now use your right arrow to get out of that denominator. And now you'll do plus 1 divided by 6. And again, notice calculator made the change to a fraction. And I love that. And it even gives me the answer here. Now, I'm probably not going to want my answer in that decimal though, but look at this nice little button over here. I can click on that and Desmos gives me the answer in a fraction. I love that. How nice. Now let's go ahead and press enter here so we can do a second problem. And I'm going to type this problem in. 2 divided by 5, right arrow to get out of the denominator, plus 3 divided by 4, right arrow again to get out of the denominator, minus 1 divided by 10. And then again, notice Desmos is giving me a decimal, but I don't want that. I want a fraction. So we will tell it to give us a fraction and we get 21/10. Now you may need to, because that's an improper fraction. An improper fraction is where the top number is bigger than the bottom number. We can easily convert that to what we call a mixed number. That would be, let's see, 20 goes into 21 one time with 1/20th left over. So you could write your answer like that as well. All right, friends, you're doing great. I hope you're loving this Desmos graphing calculator. Let's take a look at one more problem, and it's kind of a geometry problem, but it deals with the perimeter. So remember, the perimeter is the distance all the way around, and this is a rectangle. So I know that this is 1 3/4, but I also know that this is 1 3/4. I know this is 2 1/8, but I also know this is 2 1/8. So in order to find the distance all the way around, I'm going to have to add all of those up. So I'm going to be adding 2 1/8 plus 1 3/4 plus 2 1/8 plus 1 3/4. Okay, again, I'm going to use my Desmos graphing calculator to do that. Let me show you how I do that. 1, and then you have to do I'm sorry, I need to do a 2. 2, now you have to do a plus 1/8. Okay? Desmos won't understand 2 1/8. It'll do it as 21/8. Okay, so you have to do a little plus. Now, right arrow to get out of that denominator and plus again. This time I'm doing 1 plus 3/4, right arrow plus 2 plus 1/8, right arrow plus 1 plus 3/4, right arrow. And again, Desmos gave me my answer is 7.75, but if I want that as a fraction, it will do that as well, 31/4. And I can leave it just like that and it'll be fine. So I hope this helps you. I love the Desmos graphing calculator. Don't forget, I'm linking it below in the description. Also, be sure and hit that like and subscribe button so you get a notification every time a new video is posted. And feel free to leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you're working on with fractions and adding and subtracting and how Desmos is going to help you with that. So have a great day.